Introduction. The Diploma 3 Automotive Engineering Study Program presents the innovative product, Automatic Hand Sanitizer 1 liter. This innovative product was produced by Aji Baskoro, Andika Agung Saputra, Ramadan Kusuma Cahya Putra, and Sudiro. Product Profile. Currently, the development of household electronic device is growing rapidly. For example, manual soap dispenser equipment with a hand pump has evolved to become automatic with the help of sensor. The emerge of this innovation will provide adequate value for user, especially from aspect convenience. This is the reason for making automatic hand sanitizer in order to provide convenience for user. Automatic hand sanitizer has a capacity of 1 liter, supported by 5-volt DC motor, infrared sensor, and 5-volt 2-ampere power. How to use? First, activate the automatic hand sanitizer by pressing on switch. This product works using an infrared sensor. When the hand approaches the sensor, the hand sanitizer liquid will come out. Advantage: transparent bottle design makes it easy to monitor hand sanitizer liquid. The use of infrared sensor is able to avoid touch, so it's suitable for use to suppress the spread of COVID-19. The power use is very small and use a power bank as a power supply.